Is your organization still relying on SAS for analytics and data processing? While SAS has been a powerful platform for statistical analysis for decades, modern enterprises are rapidly shifting toward cloud-native analytics platforms like Microsoft Fabric to unlock scalability, collaboration, and AI-driven insights. Many organizations face significant limitations with traditional SAS environments. Legacy infrastructure can lead to high licensing and infrastructure costs, limited scalability for modern data workloads, complex integration with cloud platforms, slow deployment of analytics across teams. As businesses move toward cloud-first architectures, these limitations become even more visible. Microsoft Fabric is redefining modern analytics by unifying data engineering, data science, real-time analytics, and business intelligence within a single platform. With deep integration across Azure, Power BI, and Microsoft 365, Fabric enables organizations to build a connected data ecosystem where analytics flows seamlessly across teams. This allows enterprises to transform legacy SAS workloads into scalable AI-ready analytics pipelines. However, migrating from SAS to Microsoft Fabric is not just about rewriting code. SAS environments often contain years of accumulated scripts, statistical models, and data workflows. Manually converting these assets can take months and introduce significant risk to business logic and reporting accuracy. That's where PulseConvert by Office Solution AI Labs comes in. PulseConvert uses intelligent automation to analyze SAS programs, extract analytical logic, and convert workflows into Fabric-compatible data pipelines and Power BI analytics models. This dramatically reduces migration timelines while preserving the integrity of your analytical logic. If your organization is planning to modernize its analytics platform, migrating from SAS to Microsoft Fabric can unlock faster insights, stronger governance, and a future-ready data architecture. Learn more about automated BI and analytics migration with PulseConvert today.